We're here at the TLK booth for Motorola. Excellent technology that actually operates on LTE. Here with one of our own, actually, Dylan. What SIM cards do they offer? And if it's operating on an LTE, can it operate on any network?
Yes, it can operate on any network. Yeah, so TELUS, Bell, Rogers, all available.
So there's some sort of handshake that happens in the background that works.
Correct, yeah.
Where are you seeing the biggest uptick on these? Where are we seeing the most in terms of clients that are jumping in on a LTE-based radio?
Yeah, so commercial series products lead right exactly into broadband. In terms of actual verticals, I can speak only to my own experience in terms of some of the stuff that we're deploying currently right now. A lot of manufacturing, transportation, and then anything else you can think of where people need to connect. The beauty about broadband, LTE, is that it's seamless communication. The network takes care of itself. Yeah, fantastic product. It's about people, product, and efficiencies, so fantastic, thank you.
Awesome. We use the Wave product as well as part of this solution. Wave allows us to integrate not only the TLKs, but other products within the Motorola ecosystem. For example, PGA Canada, we sponsor them with TLK radios with Motorola, and we're able to actually communicate with live score updates on the tour in Florida, from Edmonton, from Vancouver, from New Brunswick. We're giving them live updates right on the spot, utilizing TLK and Wave.